Hello and welcome to this new video. My name is Renan. I'm the Senior Sales Engineer at NetAlly for the EMEA region. And today's video topic will be on Link Live and also on Allycare. So first, Link Live is the cloud service from NetAlly, where you will claim the device that you have just received, where all the tests will be uploaded and you can run analysis and reporting from that organization. We have two different Link Live. We have the public Link Live, which is free of charge, but we also have the private Link Live. So the private is you will purchase the software that you will install on your own server, and all the test results will actually be saved in that specific space. Now, the second topic is Allycare, and Allycare is the support, goal support, if you wish, that you have when you purchase the Linkrunner 84000, 10 gig, Etherscope NXG, Cyberscope Air, or AirCheck G3. All of those devices are covered with Allycare when you purchase them. The Linkrunner 83000, it's sold without any Allycare, but you can purchase Allycare for 1 or 3 years. The Link Sprinter is sold without Allycare, and you will not be able to actually get Allycare for that device. So let's have a quick look now of the first topic that we had, which is the Link Live. So Link Live, as I mentioned before, is a cloud service that NetAlly is providing you for free. So basically what you have to do is go to www.linklive.com, create an account, and then the first time you will open that account, what you will see is all the units that can actually be claimed in that organization. We call it account or Link Live, but everything that is set inside there will be organization. So I have received my new Linkrunner 84000 on top here. So on the list of those devices, I will select the 4000, and I will connect the Linkrunner 80 to the network, select continue, then jump to the device itself, select Link Live. Link Live, I will select claim now, go back to the Link Live account, select continue, and from here I will enter the last digit from the MAC address, which shows on the top, 5600FB, and from here I will just select listen. So it will take a few seconds to have that device claimed in that organization that you can actually see it on the back there. The name that is shown can actually be changed now, but you can also change it afterwards. So basically, when you have claimed that device, every test that you will do, like the one that shows here, will be uploaded directly to that Link Live account. So if you do an auto test, that will be automatically uploaded in here. Now, if you want to get email notification or tests that are uploading when you are busy with other tasks, you can enter your email address in here, and every time a test result will be uploaded to Link Live, you will be able to actually get that notification in your email. The two flavors that we had before I talk about that, about the Link Live, is you can also have the Link Live private. And if you go to the NetAlly website, you select products, you go to Link Live, and in Link Live, you scroll down the page and you go to the system requirements and the server requirements. So you will have all that information in here. The public, as I mentioned before, is free of charge. The private, there will be a fee to pay, the software to pay, and then a yearly fee as well. Now, when you have the Allycare on your device, as I mentioned before, the Linkrunner 84000, let me go back to this picture here. So the Linkrunner 84000, the Linkrunner 10 gig, the Etherscope NXG, the Cyberscope Air, and AirCheck G3, they all come with 1 year Allycare included. And this is the premium support service from NetAlly. So you can actually read through in here. And what's more important is on the below here, you can actually see what the Allycare, when it is enabled, what features will actually be accessible and what will not be accessible if you do not have Allycare. So as I mentioned before, the device comes with 1 year Allycare included. You can extend for an extra year or an extra 3 years. And then you will have access to all of those features that you actually see in here. So once more, NetAlly, you go to products, you select Link Life, or you go to support and you go to Allycare. Those are the two ways to actually have a little bit more information of the Link Life for once, and the other one regarding the Allycare support. Well, that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.